Hello, awesome social studies educators. The whole point of this is just to kind of show you to get to FlipGrid and how to take what we are pilot editors for and to duplicate it so you have your own, so you'll get your own kids' videos. So once you get on FlipGrid, it should look like this. Way I log in is I just click the Google login, so it should be the same for you. Mine's under my regular Gmail, so there. Let it think a little bit. Let it think a little bit more. Okay, so once you get here, you might not have all these, but you'll have this one here, which is the one that should be shared. If you click over to actions, you can duplicate grid. Okay, so you'll duplicate that. Okay, so once you've done that, you can click back on here. This one will say duplicate. So if you really want, you can go here and you could delete this if you wanted, just so you don't get them confused, and then you can change that name to delete the duplicate. That way when your kids, and then when you share it, you want to make sure you click on here. This is what they're going to be working on, so you actually want to come here, click share. You can do the QR code if you really want to, or just copy that and go from there. Because if you use the other one, then everyone who's in the group would get all of your kids' videos. So by doing the duplicate, it's where you only get your kids' videos. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped.